Hello friends, welcome to our channel Craft Bunker. We are back with another DIY video and this time we'll be making macrame mirror wall hanging. But before that, please go and subscribe our channel Craft Bunker so that you can enjoy more easy and fun videos which I'll be sharing in my later videos. So let's start with today's DIY. For this we'll be needing MDF board, or for that you can also use cardboard, mirror, macrame thread, wool, wooden beads, scissor, hot glue gun and scale. Keep all the material ready before starting. Let's start with beading the wooden beads in the wool. For this DIY, we'll be needing 2 malas. Measure the mirror for making the malas. Next is to cut the macrame thread, and for this we need one big, that is 60 cm long thread and 20 small threads as per required. Cut and keep aside at least 30 to 35 pieces. Now start to make the knots. This knot is called the lark's head knot. After tying the knots, unravel the threads. For that, you can use a comb which will help you to unravel the thread easily. Cut the extra threads which are coming out. Now, let's start with assembling all the things. Stick the mirror on the cardboard or MDF material. Next, stick the smaller mala and then the bigger one. Use hot glue gun or gum for it. Stick the thread string and comb it if necessary. So with this we have made beautiful macrame mirror wall hanging. Do share this video and make it at home. Till then, please subscribe the channel Craft Bunker and stay tuned for all the new updates. Thank you and bye bye.